Breaking news. Market seller of MSTR market strategy acquired 258,320 BTC for 22 billion. Wow, this is amazing. Market seller is not going to stop buying Bitcoin. Talking about Bitcoin, let's see the current price of Bitcoin at this point in time. Let's see. Bitcoin is right now at 100k. Ethereum at 3,600k. SRP is at $2.4. Yeah, if we look at crypto bubbles, some few coins are doing well. Let's just look at today. What coins are doing well today? For the top 100 coins. Not really that much against Bitcoin. Just some few. Like Ray is up just 2%. If we go to the top 200 coins, let's see if say we got some other coins there. Swarms is up. Pretty much not really. Like we cannot see much happening right now against Bitcoin. But let's see against USDT, okay, maybe against USDT, we're going to see something different here. I think it's almost similar, the same thing. But I saw that APT is going to do well today or tomorrow or this week. So we're going to talk about APT if God permits us. But again, you are welcome here on the Veterans Crypto. I'm here to help you understand what is going on in this space. Let's discuss precisely the top coins in this game, what is going on in the crypto market. We're gonna look at some altcoins. We're gonna also look at meme coins, particularly I want us to look at Bitcoin meme coins. Let's see how we can take advantage of volatility, make money with this meme coin, because guys, there's lots of volume that most of these meme coins have. I mean, the top meme coins that we can make some quick gains from it, 40%, 20%. And if we keep doing this over and over and over again, you can 100x your portfolio just like that. And I know most of you just want to buy a coin that is going to make you that much money, which is okay, it's good, it's fine. But trust me, you won't find that coin out there except you are an insider who bought it earlier, who like you are like the seed investors, those who like VCs of that project, or you are somewhat some kind of like a genius. If not, then maybe you're gonna catch it when it has already pumped and let's say get to about 10 billion, 5 billion, sorry, 10 million, 5 million, 20 million, then you can cash that right. So I'm gonna be talking more about such project, showing you how you can cash such project from 5 million, 10 million, 100 million, then take it to 1 billion, or from 500 billion, take it to 1 billion, or from 200 million, take it to 500 million, or 1 billion. So this is pretty much what I do here. I try to look at opportunities on the chart, look at coins that have huge volume, huge opportunities. So we're gonna be doing more of these live streams here. So we analyze all of these coins, give us opportunities to make some quick gains in the market. If you're new on this platform, you are watching the Veterans Crypto. I'm your guy, the Beton. I'm always here to help you understand what is going on in the market. What are the charts saying? Are we going to have an uptrend? Are we going to have a downtrend? Are we going to have a consistent, sloping market, like going sideways? Or maybe nothing's going to happen in the market. So this is all what I'm all about. And the focus on this is to help me make more Bitcoin. And if say you wanna take the ride with me, you wanna walk with me, you wanna be part of my journey in this space, you wanna align your journey with my journey in this space, then make sure you are smash that you are you have always smash the subscribe button, thumbs up, and share my videos with someone else out there. Oh boy, you guys are welcome, welcome, welcome to the live stream. It's like we had almost six people live here with me, and some of you already left. Maybe you want to come back when I give you the gems, the real gems out there. But let's dive straight away to this. If you're new, yeah, I always start with crypto bubbles. Crypto bubbles is that platform that I look at overall what is going on in the market. I want to see overall perspective of the market so that I'll be able to know which coins are doing well against Bitcoin. Because if I see the coins that are doing well against Bitcoin, I'm able to know how to trade them, go on the chart, see what is going on with that coin. So let me dive right away into this right now. Let's see, Pengu is down. Let's quickly look at the chart of Pengu because Pengu is down against Bitcoin. 10%. Virtual also is down against Bitcoin. SPS is down against Bitcoin 11%. Most of these coins, these meme coins, are down against Bitcoin. So let's begin with Pengu. Let's just go to the chart of Pengu right now to see if say we can get some stuff there. This is a meme coin which was launched, and since it was launched, it gained momentum, and we are seeing this pullback now at key levels for Pengu. Okay, this is a 4 hours time frame for Pengu. I want us to get a quick trade. So let's see this on the daily time frame if something is gonna happen here for us. Looking at this, I think we still have a long way to go. There's nothing like I don't think this coin is in an uptrend right now. I think the direction is more to the downside, except we see price reject at this area multiple times. We have seen that for Pengu. You can see this is the first time on the 1 hour time frame. Maybe we're gonna see more rejection, but I think price is targeting this moving average, the 200-day moving average. So if say we stay on, let me just go first on the 4 hours time frame. Let's see. Okay, on the 4 hours time frame, it looks pretty decent because price is just sitting above the alpha trend. So if price is sitting above the alpha trend, then it means yeah, maybe something is gonna happen with Pengu. So Pengu is that first coin you should be looking at. You know, Usually I go to Bitcoin, look at what Bitcoin is doing before we look at meme coin. But I've already seen what Bitcoin is doing, and I don't think Bitcoin is doing more than what Bitcoin has been doing recently, just moving sideways. I want to confirm that by looking at this my Bitcoin chart. So let's just go to this chart here. I showed you guys this chart. I think that was a few days ago. On Bitcoin is not doing anything serious. Okay, after this huge move to the upside, Bitcoin is just moving sideways and now at 100K. And if Bitcoin stays above 102K, then I will say maybe we're gonna go to 108K or 115K. But Bitcoin is still above 100K, which means that okay, give or take, it's just moving. It's just like in the middle. It might go back to 98 k or go back to 90K. But if I look at the 4 hours time frame again, I can see that price is above the 200 moving average, which is awesome. It's good. But also, I want to see that price stay above this 200-day moving average on this time frame, and I want to see the bottom moving average crisscross the 200 moving average. So all of these moving average here, moving averages here, I want to see it above price, like something like this. I want to see it be like this on the 4 hours time, on the 1 hour time frame. Because if we don't see all of these moving averages stay up above the better moving average, then maybe we're gonna see more down. So this is how I want the setting to be. This moving average here is the 50-day moving average. We have the 200-day moving average, and we have the better moving average. So looking at the better moving average and all of this moving average, I want it to be in this setting, like this shape. If say one is all of them are below the better moving average, then I'm not good like what it is or how it is on the 4 hours time frame. But now talking about higher time frames, let's see what we got here on the daily time frame. Okay, on the daily time frame, we break this minor structure here, and price did what I always love to do, like break and close above where price created this the alpha trend printed a sell signal, and at the same time price created a zone here because in the past, look guys, price did something like this. This was a key, like a measure. This zone here before it was resistance, now it's acting as support. I told you guys in my previous video, I mentioned this, that price should break this 99 and stay above 100K, and price have done that. So we want price to stay above 99, $99,000. So if price is able to stay above $99,000 for Bitcoin, then we're gonna see price for the price of Bitcoin maybe hit $110,000 or $120,000. But I think maybe that should be where price is heading towards $120,000. I don't know. We are all speculating what might happen, but it's obvious that that's what price is trying to do because if say I bring this trend line, let me just try to draw something like this here to see if say we can get something serious. Let me do it this way. Let's see if say we can get something serious here. But if this is the case, then maybe Bitcoin is onto something. Yeah, you know. So Bitcoin can move sideways and then take a huge move to the upside, right up to about $120,000 before making the next move to the downside. So it can keep moving around this trend line like this. This is a trend line that Bitcoin has been moving. Not like has been moving me. Yeah, it has been moving around this trend line. So maybe price can make it way to this zone. So that's what I'm looking at. Yeah, on the chart you guys can see. Maybe price can hit that zone before we see the next move to the downside again. We are all speculating. I'm all speculating, but we have to build and look at different scenarios to determine what might happen with price in the market. That's all I can say. We need to look at the bigger picture, bigger perspective, what price is doing, so that we can prepare ourselves for what await us in the future. By the way, if say you are here for the first time, smash that subscribe button. At least like the content and share it with your friends. Yeah. So where are we right now? Right. So this is Bitcoin is holding this key support zone. Before it was resistance, now it's key support zone, and I want Bitcoin to hold stay above 100K. If Bitcoin can do that, and until today is over, then trust me, we're gonna see massive bullish signal for most altcoins out there. Now talking about other indicator here that we can look at to help us determine what is going on in the market. Let's see if say we can look at total tree. Let's see what this bad boy is doing. I want us to look at this more on the daily time frame. And on the daily time frame, this sounds good or it looks good because we are above the alpha trend. After this huge move to the upside, price break below and stay below the alpha trend, and now we have broken back above the alpha trend, which is good. But I want to also look at total trade on a different chart. So let me try as hard as possible to bring a different chart here so we can see this on like in different angles. Let's see total tree. Let's see where we are right now. Okay, on this time frame, it's at a zone where I already marked it. You see, I already analyzed these areas, and I mentioned in my that video that if we see total tree cross above the alpha trend and stay above the alpha trend. If price stays above this alpha trend, then it means that we might target this high here, which is around 1.16 trillion. 1.16 trillion for total tree. Now, guys, total tree are all altcoins out there except Bitcoin and Ethereum. So this sounds pretty good looking at what I'm seeing here on the chart. And if we look at total two, these are all cryptocurrency excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. No. Yeah, excluding Bitcoin, yeah. Total three, sorry, total two are all cryptocurrency cap, excluding Bitcoin. That means Ethereum downward, right? And almost similar thing. But again, we need to see like this doesn't really let's say like have matters so much. I think this has to do more with what Ethereum is gonna do. Okay, it's important what Ethereum is gonna do, but where we are right now isn't good. Isn't good. We have seen multiple rejection, and this is acting now as a strong resistance. So we want to see Ethereum do something good, like break this like we want to say Ethereum do good. If Ethereum good do good, then this is gonna impact this chart a lot. Ethereum, Solana, and the top, let's say the top 10 coins, want to see them do well to push this chart, to the level where we want it to be, or to break this structure and stay above this level. Then maybe target this previous high of 1.7 trillion. You know, but again, looking at total tree, I think is showing us or giving us signal that other altcoins, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, are doing so well or are showing strength. And we can confirm this looking at the top coins in the crypto space, except the top the top 10 coins. So sorry, excluding the top 10 coins. So if we look at all the coins in the market, excluding the top 10, this is the chart of it, and it's similar to what we saw with the total two. But again, I want to see this close above or stay above the alpha trend. If that's the case, then that's gonna be good for us. But again, also, we can see here that price break structure here. Looking at this chart, which is awesome, and the alpha trend hasn't printed any sell signal yet, so we should be bullish here still. We are now at this previous this resistance level, like support level. Before it was resistance, now it's support. So guys, the reason why, again, I'm always gonna mention to you guys, the reason why I do all of this analysis is because I want us to look at the bigger picture, yeah, to see what the entire market, like the macro perspective of the market, to help us look at now individual coins, which one is doing what at what time in time and what point in time, and looking at the chart. So we can now establish that most altcoins out there are in strength. It means they're gonna do well this this week or maybe this month. Okay. Now talking about some coins or meme coins that I want us to look at right now, I think we should look at Toshi. Oh boy, Toshi is already up. I was looking at Toshi today, and I shared this. I think I shared this on my ex. And Toshi is already doing so well. I wanted to buy Toshi, but I couldn't buy Toshi on Bybit because I was trying to transfer more funds, but I missed this move. It's up 30% alone today. This is which is awesome. Wow, this is really good. Okay, but again, this is what I mentioned because I mentioned on my Twitter today. I think I did something like that on Twitter. I talk about Toshi. So let's go. Let's let MicroStrategy be a little bit. Then we go to Toshi. Let's see. I talk about this. Yeah, I'm definitely sure that I mentioned this on my X. Yes. See, I think I mentioned something like this today. Let's go scroll down a little bit to see. Toshi, a Pnut downtrend has ended. I think Bome, this is Bome. Most of this coin. Okay, yeah, this is Toshi. I talked about Toshi today. No, that was yesterday. I shared this. That is in a buy zone with test of structure. Next move is parabolic. And this is what has happened. So you need to follow me on X. Follow me on X. I share stuff that can really help you to make some quick gains in the market. So this is my X. Make sure you follow me on X and take advantage of this. So Toshi is doing so well today. It's up already for the next 24 hours. Toshi is up 30%. That's a good sign. And if we look at the target, let's see where Toshi is heading towards on this time frame. Let me bring in my FIP2 blockade from here to this bottom here. So we are looking at the cool down area to around 90 million cap, for Toshi. So if you see Toshi at 90 million cap, you can cash out some profit at least. Why? Because this is in confluence to this previous higher price rejected here multiple times in the past. When price was below and above. So in this case, you can see that maybe if say price get to this level, we're gonna see some sort of rejection around 94. Let's say within 90 to 100 million, we can see rejection there. Then the next target is gonna be where the golden pocket is. That's 120 million. 120 million market cap for Toshi. But the upside for this coin is bogus, is huge, because I think it can hit more than like 1 billion. It can hit 1 billion um market cap. Okay, that's what I think. This is a meme coin, by the way, and you can only trade it. And I love it because of volume. Remember, volume is key. Volume means that more people are investing or are trading the coin. You can see the holders, they have 487,000, like they are going towards 488,000 holders alone, which is awesome. It's really good. So Toshi is one of that coin. Now if you say we are going to buy Toshi right now, not really, because you can see we are, I think not now. You already miss, like you would have been thinking of cashing out profit now. So I think like it just depend on who you are. If say you want to be an investor, but I don't think it's the right time to buy Toshi. It can pump more, but it will pump. Let's just say yeah, you can buy Toshi now because okay, this is a theory. If you buy Toshi now, let's say you have $100, don't buy it with everything. You can buy it with $50. If it moves to the upside, if it trades back here, you buy more, then it's gonna be a good zone. So you're gonna buy more at this point. Now you know that you are buying at a good zone. Even if price do something like this, like reverse back here, then you can still buy because it's gonna mean you are buying at a good zone. Like yeah, then you take it right to the upside. So this is what might happen with Toshi, or price can just keep going to the upside regardless what is going on. So if you buy it with half of what you got, then if price keep going up, then you know that you are safe, right? You're gonna cash some profit, at least cash some profit rather than nothing. So let's see. Peanut, I mentioned that I'm gonna talk about Peanut today. Let's see if Peanut is about to reverse. I mentioned that Peanut is about to reverse. Let's see if we can confirm that this coin is about to reverse. Okay. I think this range where Peanut is a buy zone. Trust me. Price is just playing a little bit of a game here. Price might do something like this for Peanut, and guys, I think what is going on here is going to depend on what Bitcoin will do also. So you can do something like this, then shoot to the upside. So maybe you buy some now, buy some later, or you can buy some when you break structure and retest structure. Yeah. So it just depends on how you trade. If you have a good strategy, then good and fine. But if you don't have, make sure you get my buy and sell signal alerts. If you want to be part of my VIP community, the links are found below this video. Go there and you're gonna become part of my VIP. There I share what I'm buying, when I'm buying it, and also when I take out profit. I share all of this stuff there. So make sure you go there right now to connect with me there. Now, looking at Peanut, again, yeah, it's a buy, but you can play safe based on how you go about trading. You can just fall on, let's say, the lower time frame, like 15 minutes time frame, to see what price is doing, to give you a better sense of understanding on what price is doing. You can see price made this huge move here, came back, whole structure. Price didn't go to make lower lows. Even though price hasn't gone and make higher highs, but we want to see what this next candle or next move is going to do. If this next move close and above, like do something like this, let's say this candle here close above, then do something like this, then we can confirm that maybe price is going to be attempting to go and break, do what I anticipated for Peanut. So that's that for Peanut. Looking at Moondeng, let's see what structure Moondeng is in at this point in time. This is the daily time frame. Yeah, Moondeng also is looking decent. Okay, and they have 2.2 million volume. That's awesome. Liquidity is 7.6 million. That's great. And they are sitting at around 285.7 million cap. Okay, that sounds interesting. But again, I think this should be a key area because in the past we saw how price rejected this zone here. You You can see clearly in the past price rejected this zone. Let me draw it properly so you can see it. Yeah, this was a key zone here for price. Price rejected this zone multiple times in the past, and now price is, let me say, price is there. So we should expect bounce back. And if you look at this keenly on the daily time frame, you can see that price is making higher highs here and higher lows. You can see it clearly. It's not that great, but this is higher highs and higher lows that price is doing here on this chart. So I think Moondeng is gonna see a huge parabolic move from Moondeng to the upside, but you can drop down to the 1 hour time frame to see what price is doing, so that you can have an edge on how to get into the coin. But again, overall, I think Moondeng looks pretty decent. It looks good. For those of you who want to take advantage of it. You know. So again, guys, I'm not here to give you like investment strategies. Of course, if you say you want to learn that, I can always link you with either of my videos that I've done. Go there and watch how you can trade these coins against Bitcoin. And also, the reason why I brought in, or I always want you guys to look at crypto bubbles, is because when you look at crypto bubbles, it gives you a broader perspective of which coins have been or want to start doing well. So talking about that, let's go back to crypto bubbles. Let's see if, say, Pnut is among the coins that want to start doing well. I don't know, or the other coin that I just mentioned here. So let's go to the hourly time frame. Let's see which coin are beginning to gain the momentum for the hour. You can see virtual. When we look at virtual on the daily time frame against Bitcoin, we saw how it's down 7%. The rest here, Pengu, like Peng. This name remind me of something. Anyways, so let's stay on the 1 hour time frame. You can see Pengu is it's beginning to gain some momentum. iOS is also trying to gain some momentum, or 1%. So you can now look at these coins that are showing some strength on the hourly time frame, that maybe they are beginning to pick or gain momentum in the space. So you can play with this with all the top coins out there, from the top 100 to the top 1,000. Swarm is doing well. We have confirmed that. Giga is minus 1%. AKT, ApeCoin, pretty much most of these coins are showing strength, on the hourly time frame. You can see here, most of them are not down significantly. They are down, let's say, 1%, 2%, and so on. So I think we might see the market do well during the market open. So the market is opening right now. Let's see the price of Bitcoin. Let's see what is going on the chart of Bitcoin. Are we seeing some movement there? Let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. Let's see if, say, we're going to see some movement here, because the market is opening right now, the US market. Let's see if, say, something really amazing is going to happen here with Bitcoin. But again, guys, I think Bitcoin is going to go down. I don't know. We are all speculating, but looking at these vector candles here, I can see two of them. It's giving me some signals that the market makers can push price there before taking it back to the upside. So be aware of that. During this start of the US session, they can push price quickly down there just to bring it back up. Okay, because Asia started and price we rejected from Asia. You can see it here. Then the UK session nothing happened, and now we are in the US session. So maybe US can take price more downward, and this might impact most altcoins out there. But again, this meme coin that I'm showing you have strength that I think they are preparing to hit their next target. Now, the next that I want us to look at is Baby Dogecoin. I think they are working on something, maybe listing on Coinbase. Something major is going to happen. It's going to pump the price. But as of now, I think Baby Dogecoin looks somehow great on the chart. We might see a huge spike to 700 million anytime soon. Then maybe it's gonna take it to 2 billion, 3 billion. I think this coin can hit 5 billion this even more than 5 billion. Let's just see how it goes. Let me not give silly predictions for you guys to come and hold me accountable in the future that you said so or you say so. Yeah, let's just keep it safe and say one day at a time. Yeah. So Baby Dogecoin looks somehow great. Um, which other coin I have here for you guys to take a look at? Let's see, Migo. Um, Miro actually can 5x your investment in no time. Trust me, because like again, what I'm seeing here with Miro is what I saw with Mog. The last time I talked about Mog, I shared with you guys that Mog is on a pump because Mog hit key levels. Um, you can see that Miro is around this area that price have rejected multiple times in the past. These should be key areas for this coin, and price has respected this zone multiple times in the past. So, what makes you think that price isn't going to, maintain the same, rejection? Yes, I think we're going to see some rejection here again. That's happened here. It happened here. It happened here. So this should be pretty damn good rejection to take price to right up to about 1 billion cap for Migo. You know, the next move for Migo, take us straight to the upside. I think it's gonna happen anytime soon. So pay attention to Migo. Now talking about short-term trade for Migo, if say there's an opportunity now. Let's just look at this on the 4 hours time frame. Do we have an opportunity? Yes, we do have an opportunity because price has been moving sideways here on the 4 hours time frame. You can see here, and price is rejecting this zone after a downward trend, consistent downward trend. Price is rejecting this area, and price break this zone here. Let me mark this again so you see exactly what I'm trying to say here. This was another area within this zone. I call it zones within this zone. So price break it, and now price has retest that zone again and see how price is rejecting here. 1, 2, 3. Now I think the next move is gonna take it straight away to 90 million for this bad boy Migo. So you can buy Miro right now. Like now, you can buy it. It's okay. It doesn't have much to do downward. I think it has more to do upward. So if you buy it now and it drop 5%, it's fine. Before you realize it, it's up about 30%. Okay. So yeah, I mean you can see this clearly on the chart. Rejection, multiple rejection here. You can see clearly that what I've been saying here is exactly what is going on the chart. Okay, so pay attention to that. My friends, this is awesome. Like Migo, like if I'm you, I'm buying Migo right now. Okay, I already have I have enough Migo. I've been DCing Migo. I've been buying a lot of it. So I'm not gonna buy Migo right now, but I'm just saying if you wanna buy, you can buy. Of course, this is not financial advice. Don't get me wrong. I always say to you guys who ask me questions in my Telegram community that if you meet me live, I'm gonna tell you whether you buy something or not. 'Cause I know you are part of my life. So I'm gonna try as hard as possible to give you gems that can help you make some gains. So this is gonna help you make some gains. Now let's look at Bome, Book of Memes. This is one of my best meme coin in space because it has one of the most liquidity in the space. And you can see clearly this coin is sitting similar as what Miro is doing, right? It's back at key levels here on this higher time frame. So let's just look at more the price of this coin. You can see clearly price is sitting at this zone here. Let me mark this properly so you can see yeah, you can see guys, price is sitting at this key support zone here. Price have rejected this zone 1, 2, now 3 times. So this should confirm that we should take the next trend to the upside. And again, this coin can go right up to 1 cent for price. So if we look at the weekly time frame, let's see how far we can go. Oh boy, guys, the upside is really enormous for Book of Memes. That's why I love the project. I think it's gonna print you and me lot of gains. Let's see if the price gonna visit the previous high. that's gonna be about 3x, and this can happen instantly like that. You have seen what meme coins can do when they want to become crazy. This coin can become even more crazier. If say you don't mind, of course I know you don't mind. You want to see, you mind because you want to see this coin pump again, guys. If say you have some coins you want me to talk about, comment below the coins you want me to talk about. Share with me also your thoughts about the coins I've already talked about. Also, if see you have some challenges, let me know. Let's see how we can work things out. But the coins I've mentioned here will pump. Like if you have been following me if you have been following me for a long time now, then you know this. The coins I've mentioned here will pump. Why? Because I am doing my analysis on the higher time frame. I'm looking at key areas where price is sitting on the higher time frame, and this will give me confirmation to what might happen in the future. So I think Bome, Book of Memes, Myro, Popcard. Let's look at Popcard quickly as well. Popcard is down 10% for the past 24 hours, creating more opportunities for you to accumulate or to make some quick gains. Now, looking at where we are with the cap for, oh boy, see now I should say we have confirmed the move for Miro. Okay, you see, Miro was in a constant downtrend and price not Miro, Popcat. I'm talking about Popcat now. The Miro. So Miro, oh, Popcat or Miro. Why am I keep saying why am I keep saying Miro? So you can see Popcat is sitting at this key resistance support level right now. So price break this structure, yeah, which was awesome, and now price is retesting this structure. So let's go to the 4 hours time frame. Let's see what has been going on here on the 4 hours time frame. Okay, you can see clearly what has been going on here. Price has been moving sideways, 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 similar to what is going on right now with Bome and Migo. The same thing has happened before with Popcat, and now price have retest this zone. So we want to see this candle hold. So whatever price is gonna do, we don't want to see price close below here. No, price should stay above this range. Like it can go down a little bit, but stay above here. Make the next move to the upside, then boom. So where price is, I think we haven't seen any confirmation yet. Want to see a quick engulfing candle here, like with huge volume, like a huge candle that's gonna engulf all of this, something like this. You know, like this, engulf candle. Let's say, yeah, something like this. Then before maybe we can confirm that move. But I think we're gonna see it. On the 5 minutes time frame, we are already up 0.01%. Let's say if say for an hour something's gonna happen or something's gonna change. But I think that Popcat has retested the structure. And again, guys, I drew a trend line here in the past, and ever since Popcat has been following this trend line. I missed this pump to the upside. Trust me, I must confess to you guys. I missed this pump to the upside, but I was patient enough, or I have been patient enough, telling myself that price is gonna retest back this structure that price break in the future or in the past. Sorry, so in the future, price is gonna come back and retest that structure and stay above this trend. And if price does that, then I'm gonna keep like I'm gonna get in that in Popcat. So now it's my time to get into Popcat. Actually, I haven't bought anything yet. I'm waiting for confirmation on the 4 hours time frame. Immediately I see confirmation on the 4 hours time frame, I'm gonna buy this bad boy. And I can even fall down to the 1 hour time frame to see yeah, you see more is happening. Yes, I think maybe we stay on this time frame to get our confirmation. So this is what you want to see before you confirm. You want to see a huge volume candle like that up, then we test a little bit. It might not retest anyway. So if you see the candle, like a huge candle like that, close above this structure here, then you buy because it might not retest. Okay, but if say you want to be more secure, you want to be like more secure, then you should wait for the candle to close and break above this key area. Yeah, so if price is gonna do that, then the retracement is gonna be also yeah, gonna retrace here, then come back to the upside. So it might happen, or it can just keep going up, 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 because we are looking at this now on the 1 hour time frame, and looking at this on the 1 hour time frame, we might not, we cannot really say price will not respect key structures. Because you can see here, price break this structure in the past. We saw this huge move to the upside, then we test a little bit, it didn't come back here. The retest now has come back here because of these key levels here, and you can see that also here when price was like price formed a key zone here. So this area should be an area of interest. If we see a huge pump to the upside, then we should expect resistance here. You know, yeah, yeah, yeah. So guys, you can see, like, I've already marked the zones for you to um yeah, to take advantage of. That's what I think might happen for that coin. Now, what other coin I haven't talked about yet? Let's get to Mog. Let's see what is going on with Mog. Let's look at base coins. Let's see Mog. Mog also is down 10%, which is awesome. Let's see what's going on with Mog. Okay. Anyways, I expected Mog to do this, because of this huge upward movement. At least, Mog should, retrace a little bit, and I'm thinking that it's gonna retrace right down to this level here, or maybe stay where it is. But usually I want to see price recover half of the candle move. So maybe, yeah, this zone here, or let me say in this range. So I want to see it come in this range, then reject from this range. you know Maybe that's when you can think of buying again, then take it to about 2 billion. I think this coin is not go to 2 billion, 5 billion more coins, so we can trade this coin and make some quick gains with it. Let's dive to the 4 hours time frame. Let's see what's going on there on the 4 hours time frame. Yeah, so we should expect more downside for this coin after this huge movement. Now let's confirm this with our Fibonacci tool. Let's see where we are right now. Okay, where we are, we can still see price reject from here and go more up to the upside. But again, the main target is gonna be around where the golden pocket is, and that's gonna be around 922 or 19 million cap for mock. Okay, so if that's the case, you wanna get involved. But again, this zone should be a zone to buy. This one, buy here, and buy within this range that you see. So Mock looks pretty good. Talking about other coins, let's see. Bread, what bread is doing. Bread, BRET, not like not the breath. you know. So looking at this now on the daily time frame, let's see where we are. It made this huge move to the upside. Yeah, then we traced to this key area. In the past, it was like price rejected this zone here in the past. So price have done the same thing in the future. Is this the reversal? Yeah, I think this should be the reversal zone. Maybe we're gonna see another candle come here to confirm the move. But we have already done this one, two, three times. So maybe 1.6 billion should be the target. Then from there it can take us back to 2 billion or 3 billion, 5 billion. This coin will not get 10 billion plus in the future. This is the biggest meme coin on the base ecosystem. Okay, so pay attention to that. Now, talking about other meme coins, let's Trump coin has been doing so well. I mentioned that I'm waiting for Trump coin to give me some signals before I get involved in it. But let's just see. Okay, it did give me that signal. It did hit that golden pocket. I didn't see it. Oh, I missed it, guys. I missed it. This is not good. That's why it's good to always be on the chart. You can see it hits the golden pocket. So let's see what price is gonna do here for Trump coin. But I think Trump coin has hit that price point that I think maybe the next movement is more to the upside. So let's just see what will happen here. Maybe we're gonna see price trade a little bit downward, like we test of this structure one more time. But if say I see multiple rejection here for Trump coin, then I'm gonna buy this bad boy. Again, price hit the golden pocket, and that was so accurate. That's why I mentioned to you guys that whenever you see price break key structure, the best thing to the best thing to expect price to do is to revisit key areas that price rejected in the past. So talking about this, so this is gonna be a pretty damn good zone. Maybe we can retest this zone again. Yeah, so this can happen, guys. Keep an eye on Trump coin. We might see Trump coin pump right up to the previous high. Okay, because Trump won the election and Trump is gonna be here for the next 4 years. So this coin is gonna be used to print more Bitcoin in the future. So Trump coin looks great. Another coin that I want us to look at here is Degen. Degen looks great as well. It has retraced after a huge pump to the upside, so price is still getting there. Let's see on the what is happening on the 4 hours time frame if we are there yet. No, we're not there yet. Let's see if say we can pluck our fib tool from the bottom here to the top. Let's see where we are. Okay, where we are in the buy zone, the first buy zone, so you can wait a little bit to confirm what price is gonna do here, or wait for price to come right down to the golden pocket. This zone that I mark here is where the golden pocket is. If price get there, like what happened with Trump coin, then you can get some more of this bad boy. Okay, so that's what you should be looking at for DGen. DGen. I think that's it for this meme coins. Yeah. Let's see if say we can look at OP optimism. Let's see what is going on with OP. Okay, Bitcoin has done something here, which is awesome. Let me just before I go to OP, let's see something here that Bitcoin has done on the 15 minutes time frame. So Bitcoin has hit the beta moving average on this time frame, but price have rejected these key areas. Yeah, and this is exactly what I mentioned. If we see price stays above the 100K for Bitcoin, then we are good to make the next high. You can see it's rejecting this zone here, and that's good, guys. That's good for Bitcoin. Want to see price keep rejecting this zone. If it does so, or if it does that, then the next target is gonna be around this market open, which is going to be around $102,000 or above. Now, looking at the liquidation heat map, let's see what we might expect for today. Let me go to the daily time frame for today. Let's see what we might expect for the liquidation heat map. What is going on there? Let's see quickly. Yeah, we can hit 106K for Bitcoin or 104K for Bitcoin. But again, we are at a key zone here that maybe price can still go right down to 100 to 98K or 96K. But I think they're gonna target this upside looking at the fact that Michael Saylor has bought more Bitcoin. So maybe it can spark some momentum in the market from other big whales like Michael Saylor to go and buy Bitcoin. Now let's dive into the chart of OP. Let's see if say we can optimize some stuff here. So what is OP doing? Let's see. Let's find out what OP is doing. Okay. Um, OP looks good. Why? Because um price break this key level here during this downtrend, and on the daily time frame, price have crossed and stay above the alpha trend. Okay, so I think we can see OP go right up to about $2.4, or maybe hit this high here of $2.8 or maybe $3. But the more conservative zone is gonna be around 2.2, 2.4 zone. So I'm looking at this that because they have price have broken this structure here, this one in the middle, this is a minor structure here, this one that I've drew. Maybe price now want to target this previous high here, where the alpha trend created a sell signal. So that's what I'm looking at for OP, and this is gonna happen before any downtrend for OP. Trust me. Or maybe price can move a little bit sideways, then attempt to break below, then a huge pump to the upside. But price is gonna get to where this sell signal is printed on this volume on this alpha trend. Okay. Anyway, guys, this is it for today. That's what I got for you guys today. I'm not gonna do more. I'm already live 49%. I don't want it to be so long. I'm gonna do this again tomorrow, maybe similar time or 1 hour before, or 1 hour more ahead. Okay, that's it for today's video. Wish you all the best and happy trading. No, start trading right now. And I have to go because by 4 o'clock, that's when the trend is gonna start in the market. All right, guys. Bye. Bye. Ciao. Subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.